we have very important events to announce, and the announcement will be made by His Highness Maharaj, the Chairman of TIPRA Motha. May I call upon the Chairman of TIPRA Motha to kindly speak to the media.
Good afternoon, friends. I want to make a small and short announcement. TIPRA Motha is officially in presence of all our senior leaders, MDCs, also with Vijay Ramkalji, Manav, Vishwajit Kolar, Guru Kwtal, Anthony, and all our young friends who have just joined in from ATISA, who have merged with us, and our youth leaders. We are happy to announce that from today onwards, we will have a youth frontal organization under the banner Youth TIPRA Federation, YTF. This youth front will be not only in Agartala, but will be in every district of Tripura, will be in every block, village of Tripura. This is a youth organization. This will also be not only restricted to the state of Tripura, but will also have its units anywhere in India where there are Tiprasas living. And this youth TIPRA Federation, YTF, according to me, will be the backbone of all our movements, be it of Greater TIPRA land, be it of NRC, be it of Citizenship Amendment Act. It will also be the backbone for our next generation. So I am giving this organization my full commitment, my full support, and I believe that it is only with the youth that our future generation can be secure. At one time, there was a young man who took it upon himself to ensure that every Tiprasa got education. That young man was jailed several times. He never gave up. And today, he's sitting right next to me. He started his movement by trying to educate the Tiprasas. There was a time when there was this boy from Shillong who got inspired by the Tiprasas who were studying there and started helping them. And today is the chairman of TIPRA. You are standing in front of him. I believe that if you want to be successful, the motivation, the ideology has to happen when we are young. Our ideology is not to hate anyone. Our ideology is not to discriminate any community. Our ideology is not to be against any religion. Our ideology is for Greater TIPRA land, and I believe that till the time we do not compromise on it, we will be successful. The day we dilute it for personal positions, we will no longer be acceptable to our people or to even ourselves. I am very happy to announce that the first president of YTF will be the MDC, Runil Dev Barma, and the working president is also here, Pitor Tayo. He will also be there along with the central executive body, along with general secretaries, along with all those who have remained loyal to us and all those who believe in our ideology. Many people may say that they may have been against us. How are you accepting them today? Let me tell this to all my supporters. Let me tell this to all my critics. Somebody may have criticized me. Pitor may have said something against me in social media. But at that time, he was a party member of another organization, and they were told to take up party position against me. But being a Bubagra, it is in my mentality, it is in my psychology to forget and forgive. And the ideology is bigger than even my own survival. So it is very important for me to not only give people who have been close to me some chance, but to everyone. We have to give everyone opportunity. So I'm very happy that Kwtal and his entire team have come and joined. They will be accommodated. They would be given respectable positions. And our commitment is for Greater TIPRA land. If there is any questions that you want to ask, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I would also like to congratulate our MDC, Runil De Parma. I would like to congratulate Vishwajit Koloy. I would like to congratulate Guru Potto Jamatya De Parma. I would like to congratulate Manav, Uma Shankar, who have also been a part of a student organization, who also belong to the youth INPT, and now they have merged with us. Guru Potto, who was a former TSF president himself, was part of TIPRA Land State Party, has played a very important role. Vishwajit Koloy, who was a former TSF very eminent leader, who has been with us. I would like to thank Vijay Rampalji. He has taken his time out and come and been a part of this press conference. And everyone who is here, who is behind me, whether it is Lemon, whether it is Sajra, whether it is Apon, whether it is Suraj, whether it is Athat, there are many other people I will not be able to mention their names here. Sukhendu, Saudagar. I would like to thank every one of them right now. I am happy to announce the opening of YTF, Youth TIPRA Federation, which will be following and helping every youth, every student across the breadth and length of this country. Any questions? I'll be more than happy to answer.
Maharaj, what will be the motto of this youth federation?
The motto is don't compromise. The motto is be honest. The motto is be sincere to your people. Puila jati, ulobo jati.
I have two questions. We have been told that there are also a section of leaders from Janjati Morcha who are interfering with the party.
I think that's incorrect. Nobody from Janjati Morcha has got in touch with me. Nobody from Janjati Morcha has said anything to that effect. So that thing is speculation. They may be in touch with someone who's at the party level, but nobody from the Janjati Morcha is in touch with me directly or indirectly.